Hey, welcome to R2. In today's video, we will discuss trend analysis as it pertains to print-on-demand. Trend analysis in the print-on-demand market is a linchpin for success in a sphere where consumer preferences evolve rapidly with the ebb and flow of societal trends. By meticulously analyzing market trends, POD sellers can tailor their offerings to meet the prevailing consumer desires, ensuring their designs remain fresh, relevant, and appealing. This practice enables sellers to preemptively adapt to market shifts, thereby gaining a competitive edge. It's not just about reacting to what's popular now, but forecasting what could become popular in the near future, thus staying one step ahead in the game. The insights gleaned from trend analysis can significantly impact a seller's product range, marketing strategies, and even pricing models, ultimately influencing their profitability and brand reputation in the crowded online marketplace. Hence, trend analysis isn't a mere option, but a crucial maneuver for any POD seller aspiring to thrive and sustain in this dynamic market landscape. Understanding trend analysis in the context of the print-on-demand market involves decoding the trajectory of consumer preferences and market dynamics to forecast future demand. At its core, trend analysis is about studying patterns over time to predict upcoming trends, which in the POD sphere translates to discerning which designs, themes, or products are likely to resonate with consumers in the near future. Various methodologies underpin trend analysis in this domain. Analyzing sales data, for instance, provides a historical lens through which one can identify which products have garnered popularity and at what times. Social media trends, on the other hand, offer a real-time pulse on what's resonating with the masses, often heralding the onset of new trends. Similarly, delving into consumer behavior and feedback unveils invaluable insights into their preferences and the potential demand. These multifaceted approaches to trend analysis arm POD sellers with the foresight needed to tailor their offerings in alignment with emerging trends, thereby optimizing their market position and potential for profitability. In navigating the ever-fluctuating landscape of the print-on-demand market, a suite of sophisticated tools and platforms are indispensable for effective trend analysis. Among the forefront is Google Trends, a free tool that tracks the popularity of search queries over time, providing a macro view of what topics are gaining traction globally or within specific regions. This data can be instrumental in identifying overarching trends that could be translated into captivating design ideas. Similarly, Trend Hunter offers a more niche-focused lens, delivering insights into emerging trends across various categories, which can be a treasure trove of inspiration for POD sellers. Beyond these, specific POD analytics tools tailored to the industry like Merch Informer or Printful's analytics feature provide a more granular view of market trends. They offer data-driven insights into which designs are selling well, competitive analysis, and even keyword tracking to optimize product listings. By leveraging these tools, POD sellers can demystify the complex tapestry of market trends, gaining a data-backed understanding that empowers them to make informed decisions in tune with market dynamics. The amalgamation of insights gleaned from these tools can significantly augment a seller's ability to forecast trends, tailor their offerings accordingly, and ultimately drive a robust bottom line in the competitive POD arena. The tools tailored for trend analysis serve as a window into the evolving market dynamics, shedding light on which designs and products are capturing consumer interest. For instance, Google Trends can indicate a rising interest in certain themes or topics based on search query volumes, which can be a precursor to design ideas that might resonate with the audience. Similarly, Trend Hunter provides a glimpse into emerging trends across various sectors, which can be a springboard for innovative design inspirations in the POD market. On a more granular level, POD-specific analytics tools like Merch Informer offer a deep dive into which designs are performing well in the market, providing data such as sales rankings, competition analysis, and even consumer reviews. By dissecting this data, POD sellers can identify not only what designs are currently in vogue, but also discern the kind of designs that might become the next big hit. Additionally, these tools often allow for tracking the performance of one's own designs and products in the market, furnishing actionable insights on how to tweak or evolve offerings for better market resonance. In a nutshell, these tools act as a compass guiding POD sellers through the labyrinth of market trends, enabling them to align their design strategies with what's gaining traction and likely to secure a favorable market response. The realm of print-on-demand is rife with stories of entrepreneurs who harness the power of trend analysis to catapult their ventures into realms of success. For instance, a certain POD entrepreneur noticed through Google Trends and social media monitoring that vintage travel designs were making a comeback. Capitalizing on this insight, they curated a collection of vintage travel posters which soon became their best-selling range. In another case, a POD seller utilized Merch Informer to track trending designs within the pet niche, subsequently launching a line of personalized pet merchandise that resonated profoundly with pet enthusiasts, leading to a significant uptick in sales and brand engagement. These case studies underscore the transformative potential of trend analysis when aptly applied in the POD market. By keeping a finger on the pulse of evolving market trends, these savvy entrepreneurs were able to anticipate consumer demand, tailor their offerings accordingly, and carve out a lucrative niche in the bustling POD marketplace. Their stories serve as a testament to how a data-driven approach to trend analysis can significantly impact a POD business's trajectory, offering a roadmap for other aspiring POD entrepreneurs to follow suit and potentially achieve a similar measure of success. The POD marketplace is brimming with sellers who have adeptly leveraged trend analysis to burgeon their sales and carve a niche. One notable example is a POD seller who capitalized on the burgeoning trend of mindfulness and self-care by utilizing platforms like Google Trends and Pinterest. They discerned a growing interest in wellness, mindfulness, and self-care. They then curated a line of products featuring serene designs, motivational quotes, and mindfulness prompts, which resonated well with the audience, catapulting their sales. Another POD entrepreneur, by keeping a close eye on social media trends, noticed the rising popularity of retro aesthetics and vintage designs. Using tools like Trend Hunter and Merch Informer, they honed in on what specific retro themes were in vogue and launched a collection of vintage-themed apparel and accessories. The line was a hit, leading to a significant sales uptick and enhanced brand recognition. These examples underscore the myriad ways trend analysis can be leveraged in the POD space. By tuning into emerging trends and consumer preferences, these sellers were able to design products that resonated with the zeitgeist, leading to enhanced sales and a solidified brand presence in the competitive POD market. Applying trend analysis to your print-on-demand business is a strategic endeavor that requires a blend of tools, observation, and data interpretation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to navigate this process. Identify sources. Begin by identifying reliable sources for trend analysis. This could include platforms like Google Trends, Trend Hunter, or industry-specific analytics tools like Merch Informer. Monitor regularly. Establish a routine to monitor these platforms and observe market trends, consumer preferences, and competitor offerings. Stay updated on social media trends and popular culture, which often reflect in consumer buying behavior. Analyze sales data. Dive into your own sales data to understand what has worked well in the past. Look for patterns in sales during certain periods or with particular designs. Engage with your audience. Engage with your customer base through surveys or social media to understand their preferences and feedback. They can provide direct insight into what designs or products resonate. Evaluate competitor strategies. Scrutinize successful competitors' strategies. Analyze what's working for them and see how you can differentiate your offerings. Apply insights. Apply the insights gleaned from trend analysis to your product designs, marketing strategies, and pricing models. This might include launching new designs, tweaking marketing campaigns, or adjusting prices based on demand. Measure and adjust after implementing changes. Measure the impact on your sales and brand engagement. Use this feedback loop to continuously adjust your strategies based on evolving trends and consumer feedback. Stay informed. Subscribe to industry newsletters, join POD forums, and network with other POD sellers to stay informed on market trends and best practices. By adhering to this structured approach, POD sellers can harness the power of trend analysis to stay ahead of market trends, tailor their offerings to meet consumer demand, and ultimately propel their POD business towards greater profitability and success in the crowded online marketplace. Interpreting data and translating insights into actionable strategies is a nuanced process that requires a blend of analytical and creative thinking. In the context of the print-on-demand market, once you've gathered data from various trend analysis tools and platforms, the next step is to decode this data to understand the narrative it tells. Look for patterns, emerging trends, and consumer preferences that stand out. It's crucial to understand not just what the data says, but what it implies for your POD business. For instance, if data indicates a rising trend in eco-conscious consumerism, consider how your business can align with this trend through eco-friendly materials or sustainability-themed designs. Translating insights into actionable strategies might involve launching new product lines, tweaking existing designs, adjusting pricing, or even repositioning your brand to better align with market trends. As for future trends in the POD market, a continual embrace of technology, like augmented reality for virtual try-ons or AI-driven design tools, is anticipated. Additionally, a stronger emphasis on sustainability and ethical production is likely as consumer awareness around these issues heightens. Keeping a finger on the pulse of such evolving trends and adapting your strategies accordingly is not just about riding the wave of current demand, but positioning your POD business to thrive in the future market landscape. Engage with your audience, keep abreast of technological advancements, and maintain a culture of continuous learning and adaptation to navigate the future trends in the POD market successfully. The print-on-demand market is on a trajectory of continual evolution, driven by technological advancements and shifting consumer preferences. Predicted trends include a growing emphasis on sustainability, with eco-friendly materials and ethical production practices gaining precedence. The integration of augmented reality for virtual try-ons and AI-powered design tools are also anticipated estimated to redefine the POD experience. Additionally, the rise of niche markets catering to specific interests and communities is likely to continue. To prepare for these changes, POD sellers should invest in staying abreast of industry advancements, perhaps by subscribing to relevant publications, joining professional forums, and networking with other industry professionals. Continuous trend analysis is a linchpin in adapting to market changes and sustaining a POD business over the long term. By regularly analyzing market trends, consumer behavior, and sales data, POD sellers can gain invaluable insights that allow for proactive adaptation to evolving market dynamics. For instance, if trend analysis reveals a growing consumer interest in eco-friendly products, a POD seller could transition to using eco-friendly materials, thus staying aligned with market demand. Moreover, continual trend analysis enables sellers to measure the effectiveness of their strategies and make data-driven decisions, ensuring their business remains competitive and resilient amidst the changing market landscape. In essence, a culture of continuous trend analysis equips POD sellers with the foresight needed to navigate market changes adeptly, ensuring their business not only survives but thrives in the bustling POD marketplace. In sum, trend analysis emerges as a crucial compass guiding print-on-demand sellers through the ever-evolving market landscape. By employing tools like Google Trends, Trend Hunter, and industry-specific analytics platforms, sellers can glean invaluable insights into emerging market trends and consumer preferences. The stories of POD entrepreneurs who have adeptly leveraged trend analysis to catapult their ventures showcase the transformative potential of this practice. From understanding the significance of trend analysis, employing various analysis methods, to applying the gleaned insights in real time, the strategic approach towards trend analysis can significantly bolster a POD business's competitive edge and profitability. As we delved into future market trends and the importance of continuous adaptation, the need for a proactive, data-driven approach to trend analysis becomes abundantly clear. Therefore, embarking on the journey of trend analysis isn't just a recommendation, but a call to action for POD sellers aspiring to stay ahead of the curve in this bustling marketplace. By integrating trend analysis into your business strategy, you're not just reacting to the market changes, but strategically navigating through them, ensuring your POD business remains vibrant, relevant, and successful in the long haul. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and join us for the next one.